In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send video as a document in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp. Then tap right here to head over to chats. After that, enter a conversation or a group chat. And then all we have to do in order to send a video as a document is hit right here at this plus. Then select document. And then we need to choose where we would like to upload our video from. We can select choose photo or video, and in this way we'll be taken to our camera roll, and from here we can select any video. Let's say that one. We can just tap at this video and then hit send to immediately start uploading as a document to that particular conversation. And also from here we can choose the first option, which is called choose from files. If we tap right here, we'll be taken to the files app, and from here also we can select a video or a photo, any document you want. You can just select in that way and then hit at open. Then in the same way, to send that video as a document, hit right here. Sending video as a document will be useful for you if you want to send a video and keep its original quality without compressing it, because when we send video like that by selecting Photos app, we can, let's say, send video in that way. And now in this particular situation, WhatsApp app will compress it to save your mobile data. However, in this case, videos will be sent in its original quality. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.